Hey everybody, what is up? And today we're going to be talking about a really easy way to increase your quality in webcam streams. Ever heard of a ring light attached to a webcam? Yep. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm today's host, Matthew, and we're going to be checking out the PAPALOOK webcam. So this webcam is action-packed. Not only is it HD 1080p, but there's a list of awesome other features that include things such as an amazing ring light attached to it that has 3 different settings, fixed focus for easy streaming, distortionless images, so the actual image is not distorted or stretched or anything, dual microphones, and did I mention that it's compatible with your Xbox? That's right, you can use the PAPALOOK on your Xbox for streaming. Well, let's go ahead and dive into detail on some of these features. So the PAPALOOK features a full HD 1080p 30 FPS webcam with built-in 2 noise cancellating microphones. It's easy to use, just plug it in and play. So you're simply gonna just plug in the USB and your computer should pop up notifications and find it, install it, it's good to go. It will work with any of your software such as OBS or even the software that comes standard on your computer. And did I mention the fact that it comes with a tripod? That's right, the kit in the bundle comes with a tripod, so you don't have to pay anything extra to get a sweet accessory. The ring light has 3 levels of adjustable brightness. Of course, those 3 levels include something like a dim, a medium, and a super bright mode, but also there is an on and off switch, so depending on how you want to use it, you can, it's good to go. Phenomenal device. It has a level 5 CMOS lens inside of it, so that goes back to that distortionless image. But you're definitely going to get more than what you pay for. This webcam is under $100 right now. Yes, you can pick it up for under $100 right now, and it does include that tripod and the ring light and everything. It's such a steal. We hope that you check out the links on this video or around this or somewhere on this website and you go give a look to PAPALOOK. Give a look to PAPALOOK! Oh, you guys should pay me for that. And if you go on over to their website, you can check out a lot of the awesome products that they do carry. PAPALOOK focuses on a lot of different kinds of webcam style products, and they're all very useful right now. And if you hop on over to the webcam we're reviewing today with the ring light, you'll see that it is under $100. You can pick it up for $79.99 on the website right now and learn lots more about this. And also, while you're looking around there, you can check out all the more detailed specifications on this awesome webcam. We'll put it all down there for you guys to look at. So we're going to cover everything such as the resolution, the aspect ratios, and more. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you guys enjoyed it and liked the test simulations and just overall like the product, because we know we sure did. And a huge shout out to PAPALOOK for working with us and sponsoring this video. Again, check out all the links on this video and make sure to leave a comment or hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell no matter where you are. We appreciate it. This is Matthew from Good Tech Cheap, and I'll see you guys later.